Bang. Oh my gosh! You're so dramatic.
Faz mãe. Opa aí, olha.
Excuse me, no. Where is the...
Давай летать. Ой, полетели. Ой, молодец какой. Ну уже не врезай.
Turkey! Oh my god.
As a sandal lover, I don't put much importance on size.
No! I said no!
Okay.
Hey! Stop it.
Spin.
If they're not paying rent, they better be doing something to help the landlord.
I just love my new pet parrot. It's got beautiful red wings and it's got a nice beak. The eyes are really beautiful too. And I love it. It's just so... Okay, you killed it. You killed it. It's on. It's on. It's on. No. You're my baby. Come here. Come here. Woo! Woof woof meow. Woof woof meow. Meow.
Bridget, give me my pants back now.
Bruh.
Give them back.
Oh, hell no!
My.
For a naturally gifted musician, every sound can turn into a piece of music.
Who took a bite of this cracker?
Nope. Nope.
Oh no, the territorial conflict between these two groups seems more intense than I expected.
You what?
When kids don't get the attention they want,
야 그만해.
그만해. 꾸꾸.
In the treetop, when the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Look at the beak on that baby. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall.
It seems they're simply discussing the plan for a picnic tomorrow.
Are you supposed to take my hat? Huh? All right then. Woo! Woo! Can you dance? Come on.
No.
Who's that, George? That's you, silly.
Nope, nope, nope.
A perfect example of being friend-zoned.
No, 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 no.
How dare you?
Fuck off me.
No. Stop. No. Stop. Stop it, buddy.
What? I don't want to fight. You're just gonna keep on. Stop! Stop! Oh my God! You're a bad dog. Yeah, you are.
Oh my God, what is that?
When someone tells me to act normal in front of my crush,
Oh my God, what is that?
And they really grind my gear. She told me that she didn't have to walk them through. And that's not the case. She's supposed to walk them through. That's not my job. That's not my job.
Terranator, el coche más poderoso que ha existido, con tracción 4x4.
honestly, with those wings, taking his mom anywhere is a bit out of his league.
Y es todoterreno, las calles son fáciles. Mete una lodo, parte la nieve, pasa por el agua.
I can't stand it when you do that. Your toe is so far up your nose hole.
Oh, he's just trying to stimulate some thoughts on his own.
Can you stop? It's gross. Arrgh. Okay, itchy nose.
When you haven't hit the ocean yet, but training has begun.
Oh my.
I believe that in parrots' minds, human snacks are always under their ownership.
Ты посмотри на нее. Где она? Где эта выдра? Ты посмотри, она уже за горизонт ушла. Сволота. Боже, а что делать теперь?
Got mad at me for scaring the pigeons away.
This is her screaming corner. You crazy girl. You are crazy.
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified whenever we post something new. See you in the next one.